So we got this blue jay up here. It's about 5:30 in the morning. Oh. Oh. What they're going to do is they're going to try to raid my blueberry bush. But I have a net over it. It's over here. It's small. Oh. But you can see over the neighbor's fence right there. You see that purple flower? That's a separate plant from the plant it's next to, which is a blueberry bush. And these little guys come in here every morning and raid the neighbor's blueberry bush and just maul it. I feel bad. I mean, I don't feel bad, but they're probably unaware that their fruits are being mauled. I guess that's nature, right? I don't mind sharing with the birds. I'm just not going to give them all my blueberries. Look at the telephone pole over there. What's up, squirrel? All the power lines have become walkways for birds. Landing pads. I love getting up early. You just see so much. And so much is missed in those early hours before dawn. Actually, since the moment I stepped out here to make this video, the sun began to rise. Beautiful. Let's get a full view here. It's gonna be a beautiful day.